Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Fun for Kids Animal Surprise Eggs. Today we have 22 animals for you to guess. Let's start with this yellow lump of clay. Try to guess what's inside. Listen. That's right, it's the elephant. Did you know that the elephant is the largest land animal? Did you also know that elephants are the only mammals that can't jump? Hello, Mr. Elephant. What about this red lump of clay? Try to guess what's inside. Listen. That's right, it's the cow. Cows are some of the most useful animals to human beings. Did you know that on average, a cow can produce 8 gallons of milk each day? Thank you, Mrs. Cow. Let's have a look at this black lump of clay. What's inside? It's the gorilla. Gorillas are close relatives to human species, sharing 80% of our DNA. Gorillas are also very intelligent creatures. What about this white lump of clay? What's inside? No, it wasn't a dog. It's a wolf. Wolves are actually ancestors of dogs, and they too are very sociable creatures that love to travel in groups called packs. What about this black lump of clay? Did we scare you? That was a tiger's roar. The tiger is the largest species of cat. Unfortunately, they are an endangered species, which means that there are few of them living today. What about this blue lump of clay? It's a cute and cuddly hippo. Hippos love to spend so much time in the water. Don't let their face fool you. Hippos are actually very territorial creatures. What about this pink lump of clay? It's not a pig. It's a wild boar. Wild boars are actually close relatives of pigs. But unlike pigs, wild boars are nocturnal creatures, which means they sleep during the day and they feed at night. What about this yellow egg? It's a chicken! Chickens have small brains, but they actually have a really good memory. What about this green lump of clay? What's inside? It's a horse. Horses are beautiful creatures, aren't they? Did you know that horses can sleep standing up? That's amazing. What about this blue lump of clay? It's a monkey. Did you know that monkeys are intelligent creatures too? And they're also very sociable. They love to play, to cuddle, and also protect their young. Let's have a look at this red lump of clay. What's inside? It's a swan. Swans are close relatives of ducks. They have long necks and they are very graceful in water. What about this green egg? a squirrel. Squirrels are bushy-tailed rodents known for having big eyes to watch out for predators, and they're very skillful creatures too. What about this orange lump of clay? Try to guess what's inside. Listen. It's a giraffe. Giraffes are known for their really long necks that can reach up to 1.8 meters long. Their spots also helps them hide from predators. What about this lump of clay? Guess what's inside? It's a rhino. Rhinos are big creatures with thick skin, but they're actually vegetarian. What about this blue egg? What's inside? It's a sheep. Sheep, like cows, are also domesticated, which means that we take care of them and they help us a lot. What about this pink egg? What's inside? It's a raccoon. Raccoons are also very skillful creatures. They have 5 fingers like we do and can grab fish really fast from the water. What about this white lump of clay? Can you try to guess what's inside? It's the king of the jungle, the lion. The lion is actually smaller than the tiger, but it's called the king because it travels in groups called pride and are very strong. What about this one? Did you think it was a bird? It's actually the cheetah. The cheetah is the only large cat that can't roar. Cheetahs are also the fastest land animal, traveling at speed of up to 160 miles per hour. What about this egg? No, it's not a dog, it's a coyote. Coyotes are close relatives of wolves and dogs. Did you know that they tiptoe to hide from predators? What about this one? It's a zebra. Zebras travel in groups called herds. Did you know that zebras are also fast, traveling at 65 miles per hour? Wow. What about this pink lump of clay? Can you guess what's inside? It's another large cat. It's a leopard. Unlike most large cats, leopards are solitary creatures, which means they love to live alone. Leopards live in trees. And lastly, let's have a look at this orange egg. What's inside? It's a hyena. Hyenas travel in groups too, which are called clans. So that's it for today. But we hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Fun for Kids for more fun and learning. Thank you, and please visit our channel for more fun videos.